To get started with Morgan Stanley investment research tools, first navigate to the Morgan Stanley website and log in to your account. Once logged in, click on the Research tab to access a wide range of investment research tools and resources. The next step is to familiarize yourself with the various research tools available, including equity research, fixed income research, and economic research. Each of these tools provides in-depth analysis and insights on different asset classes and markets. One of the key features of Morgan Stanley investment research tools is the ability to screen for stocks based on specific criteria such as market capitalization, sector, and geographic location. This can be done using the Stock Screener tool, which allows you to filter stocks based on your investment objectives and risk tolerance. Another important tool is the Research Reports section, where you can access in-depth analysis and recommendations on individual stocks and sectors. These reports are written by experienced analysts and provide valuable insights into the investment potential of different companies and industries. To get the most out of Morgan Stanley investment research tools, it is essential to stay up to date with the latest market news and trends. This can be done by setting up customized alerts and notifications, which will keep you informed of any changes in the market or updates to research reports. Best practices for using Morgan Stanley investment research tools include regularly reviewing and updating your investment portfolio, diversifying your investments across different asset classes, and seeking professional advice when needed. By following these best practices and utilizing the various research tools available, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals. Overall, Morgan Stanley investment research tools provide a comprehensive and powerful platform for investors to research and analyze different investment opportunities. By understanding how to use these tools effectively, you can gain a competitive edge in the market and make more informed investment decisions.